Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm here at Marcos Highway in Pasig City. I would like to update you the LRT2 extension. So this is the Santolan station guys. Santolan station Pasig. For your info guys, the extension is 4.14 kilometers eastward from Santolan Pasig up to Masinag, Antipolo City, with two elevated stations, namely Emerald Station and Masinag Station. This is the update guys as of October 4, 2020. The construction of this extension began in September 2015 and it is expected to be finished by the last quarter of 2020. On your left guys is the Ayala Malls Felix here in Pasig City. So ganun na kadami guys no yung mga improvements at mga infrastructures, not just in Metro Manila but across the country. Mabuhay ang Build, DPWH, and of course the Duterte administration. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Very moderate traffic lang because it's Sunday. We are approaching Emerald Station guys in Barangay San Roque, Marikina City. On your right guys is the Robinson's Metro East and Santa Lucia Mall. So this is Emerald Station. Paglabas mo pala ng station, makikita mo na agad ang Santa Lucia Mall and Robinson's Metro East. And on your left guys is the Barangay San Roque, Marikina City. Sana nga guys no, matatapos talaga within this year para malaking ginhawa sa ating lahat. Lalong-lalo na sa mga motorist.
Saw your picture on my timeline. Sunshine.
ganun kahaba ang Marcos Highway guys. So Marcos Highway, mag-start ito siya sa may Katipunan.
Decided as I scroll by.
So we're approaching Masinag LRT2 station guys. Napakaganda nitong station na to kasi directly linked to SM Masinag. On your left guys is the SM City, Masinag, Antipolo City. Finally guys, we're already here at Masinag Station, the last station of LRT2 here in Masinag, Antipolo City. We are on the intersection of Sumulong Highway and Marcos Highway. So on your right, going to Antipolo City, and on your left, going to Marikina City via Sumulong Highway. So kung didiretsuhin yun guys, yan yung going to Kogyo. So may possibility daw na magkakaroon ng extension pa from Masinag Station.